Hello, this is nice math problem. 36 for x is equal 36x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 36 for x is equal 36x. Now we will divide both sides by 36 for x times 36. So we can write here 36 for x times 36 and here 36 for x times 36. Here this 36 and this 36 cancel out and this 36 for x and this 36 for x cancel out. Here remain 1 over 36 is equal this x over 36 for x. From right side we can write here x over 36 for x is equal, and from left side we can write 1 over 36. We can write this as x times 36 for negative x is equal 1 over 36. We know a to the power b is equal e to the power b ln of a. According to this formula, we can write this 36 for a minus x as x times here e to the power negative x of ln 36 is equal 1 over 36. Now we will multiply both sides by negative ln 36. So we can write here negative x ln 36 e to the power negative x ln 36 is equal negative ln 36 times this 1 over 36. Now we will apply both sides Lambert W function. So we can write here Lambert W of negative x ln 36 e to the power negative x ln 36 is equal Lambert W of negative ln 36 times 1 over 36. We know Lambert W function of a e to the power a is equal a. According to this formula, we can write this part as negative x ln 36 is equal Lambert W function of negative ln 36 times 1 over 36. Now we will divide both sides by negative ln 36. So we can write here negative ln 36, here negative ln 36. Here this minus and this minus cancel out and this ln 36 and this ln 36 cancel out. Here remain x is equal Wn bracket ln 36 times 1 over 36 over this negative ln 36. X is equal negative Wn minus ln 36 times 1 over 36 over this ln 36. Here n is equal 0 minus 1 when n is equal 0, then x is equal 0.031, and when n is equal -1, then x is equal 1. This is the right answer of this equation. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.